Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Every pawn on a chessboard was given the name of a commoner's occupation in medieval chess. This included the likes of gambler, innkeeper, doctor, and many others. The Bagworth moth caterpillar saws its own wood and builds its own log cabin. Benjamin Franklin only received 2 years of formal education. Netflix users streamed a whopping 52 billion plus minutes of The Office in the year 2018. Centipede spotted eating the side of a rattlesnake's face. A study showed that India's population could peak at 1.6 billion in 2048 and will decline down to 1.9 billion by 2100. Black rhinos can grow their second horn longer than the first horn. Perched precariously on top of a 120-foot tall rock, the Tridrangur lighthouse is perhaps the loneliest lighthouse in the world. Baby palm cockatoo growth time lapse. Rolls-Royce uses the leather of 15 to 18 bulls per car raised in cold climates to prevent marks from insect bites. Cows are not used because they might have stretch marks from pregnancies. Grizzly bear cubs playing in the snow. Deer can't eat hay. Two leopards fight over carcass. A toaster uses almost half as much energy as a full-sized oven. Tigress waves her muddy paw after drinking water. The demon duck of doom, an extinct flightless bird that lived in what is now Australia. It stood over 8 feet tall and had a skull larger than that of some horses. Despite the nickname, it was more closely related to the chicken. A duck's quack does not echo. Our brain continuously predicts what other people are about to say before they say it. A day is not 24 hours long. It's actually 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4 seconds, which is the time that the planet needs to rotate on its own axis. Worms eat their own poo. Snow leopards are not aggressive towards humans. Tourism in India supports over 40 million jobs. The sector is predicted to grow at an average annual rate of 7.9% till 2023, making India the third fastest growing tourism destination over the next decade. Catalytic converters also convert nitrogen oxides into nitrogen and oxygen, as well as complete the oxidization of unburnt hydrocarbons to carbon dioxide and water. Intense sun halo captured in Sweden. One third of the population of Switzerland lives within 5 kilometers of the main train line crossing the country. Aluminium oxynitride is a ceramic composed of aluminium, oxygen, and nitrogen. It's optically transparent and 4 times harder than fused silica glass, 85% as hard as sapphire. Alon-based armor can stop multiple armor-piercing projectiles of up to 0.50 bmg. DNA is flame retardant, does not catch fire. 151 million people live on this island and it's nearly 2% of the world population. It's called Java. It's a part of the Greater Sunda Islands and it's in Indonesia. The color of meteor depends on its chemical composition. Iridodonesis is a condition in which the iris colored part of the eye vibrates during eye movements. Shrimps and prawns are not the same. This is a simple list of aspects that differentiate them. The inside of a empty carrier cargo ship. James Dyson created over 5,000 prototypes before inventing the Dyson vacuum cleaner. Last year, Dyson made approximately $9.1 billion in revenue. Belgian Blue Bull has fine but strong legs and walks easily. Their color can range from white, blue ruin, black, or a combination of them. The color red is present in some genotypes. The breed is known for its quiet temperament. You can find this fish swimming in waters that are 300 to 1000 feet deep in basically any ocean of the world. The king usually remains in the deep waters, and the rare times when it surfaces, it usually dies. The fish can reach around 16 feet in length. Some great sibling movies to watch on Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan, Pandavar Bhumi, सरबजीत, हम साथ साथ है. Amar, Akbar, Anthony, our little sister. थांबी, दिल धड़कने दो. अग्निपथ, भाग मिल्खा भाग. Thanks for watching.